station is historical. It was essentially built between 1929 and 1933 by the Pennsylvania Railroad, and it was built in order to replace what was formerly the Broad Street Station, which the city had outgrown at that time. My name is Beth Toll, and I am the Public Relations Manager with Amtrak. This station was actually named to the National Register of Historic Places in 1978, and it essentially is a milestone for railroading and urban planning. It is the only Amtrak station in the country where trains actually depart in all 4 directions. So people could be going to New York, they could be going south to Florida, east or west, and so there was a lot of opportunity for travel.
One of the best experiences coming here at 30th Street Station when you arrive is coming up the stairs or the escalators into the main hall and being welcomed by this vast space with the high ceilings and pendant lights. It is one of the best experiences you'll have on a train, not only in Philadelphia, but in the country.
Good afternoon, your attention please. This will be your
My name is Natalie Shea. I'm a Senior Program Manager with the Major Stations Planning and Development Group at Amtrak. 30th Street Station is a major transportation hub. Amtrak alone brings over 4 million passengers annually, and SEPTA brings another 8 million rail customers here. And on top of that, there's a number of local subways, trolleys, and buses that serve the station as well. We have a number of near-term projects underway. The most visible project is the restoration of the historic facade, but we're also doing improvements inside the station. Some of the goals that we have for our future project: upgrading the retail, modernizing the concourse amenities, bringing that 21st century experience within the historic frame of the station. By 2021, Amtrak will be introducing its new generation of high-speed rail train sets, essentially the next generation of Acela on the Northeast Corridor. So we need to make sure that the station is ready for that growth. Amtrak has a wonderful working relationship with the partners in the area. We are all working together to improve the 30th Street Station district.
the 30th Street side of the station.
One of the things that I love about 30th Street is the energy that you feel. And Philadelphians have a lot of passion, so you can strike up a conversation with really anybody and have a very interesting conversation and just feel that beat of the city here at 30th Street.